Hey you guys, and what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Annabelle, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, all of social media, and today I am going to be sharing first off something new with you all. This is something that I've been doing recently, and I've always tried to be as transparent as possible with you all because I like to keep it real. But I've been doing some digital planning lately. It's just something that I've been doing lately because it has been a struggle to move my fingers. I suffer with rheumatoid arthritis, and it's just been a thing that I've dealt with for, at this point, since I was 16. I am now 31, so you can do some quick math. And my hands have been really struggling lately. It's been really painful, and it's getting harder and harder to do things. So with that being said, I have been using the Good Notes app and kind of planning my weeks this way, and I haven't been really writing in my planners because it's just too painful. And I have this iPad that I rarely ever use, and I figured, why not try it out? I bought a planner on Etsy from what is her Instagram handle? I'll have to look for it and link it on the screen, and I'll also link her down below. It was pretty inexpensive, and I've been enjoying it ever since. She also has a TikTok where she shares a lot of tips and tricks, but I have been really loving this, and it's been easy on my hands because I can easily click a text screen and just type it out as opposed to using a pen. And even using the Apple Pencil is a little bit easier than using an actual pen because I don't have to apply a lot of pressure. So that is something that I've been doing. So if you see some of my planners that may be a little not filled, don't judge me. I'm struggling. Planning and creative planning is still my hobby. I'm gonna move this out of the way a little bit. It's still my hobby. It's still something that I love and enjoy, but I really haven't been able to do it very much. But this is my Hobonichi Weeks. It's a planner that I've been obsessed with, but obviously, like everything else, I haven't really been able to use it because my hand hurts a lot. My writing hand specifically more than my left hand. My hand is so swollen that I can't even wear my wedding set, like my actual silver, like the one that I got married with. So it's been a struggle. So I'm wearing this, which is really cute, but it's not what I got married with. But I kind of wrote this in, and then I gave up, I'm pretty sure, because I really couldn't do it. I kind of tried to decorate it, but I really haven't done much else with it. But I still want to keep up with decorating. I don't care if it like takes forever or if I'm not using it. I still want to decorate it. It's fun for me. It's still part of my hobby, so I want to continue it. So I brought out a ton of sticker sheets that I have off to the side, along with these Rilakuma stickers that I'm obsessed with. And I also have some sticker sheets in here. So I'm not sure what I want to use, but there's a lot of options. I have literally endless options. I have so many stickers. It's crazy how many stickers we collect over the years. And this isn't even part of my collection. I've actually gotten rid of a lot of stickers over the years, but I brought those out, as well as these back here that I took out of some sticker sheets, some sticker books. And I also brought out the Year Planning Volume 2 because I thought, I don't know, maybe it's a little too early to do Valentine's Day. Yeah, it is a little too early, so sad day. I'm gonna put that off to the side, but I'm gonna take these out. I don't want to, maybe this would be kind of fun. This is what sometimes is so hard about paper planning, is that you have so many options. Like I have these here. I decorated my Erin Condren planner for the entire month one day when I was bored, and now that one's done and completed with, but I haven't written in it. But kind of leaning towards using some of the Rilakuma stickers. I have so many options. It's kind of crazy. Oh, these would be really cute. These are from Erin Condren. Let's see. Yeah, I could see myself using these right here. So I'm gonna leave that open on there. I really like these Rilakuma stickers. I've been obsessed with Rilakuma. It's just, I love it. Oh, sorry, I had to sneeze. I'm gonna take a quick coffee break, hold on. But these would be really cute also. I could grab some washi or something. I love these. I want to get one of those sticker albums that you can put stickers on. Like some of these cute stickers, I want to use more of them, but I don't have, I feel like I sometimes forget that I have them. So if I had them in a sticker album, I think it would make a lot more sense and I would make use of my stickers a lot more. But I'm gonna kind of look through here. I live in San Antonio, in case you don't know, and it's kind of like warm here. It's been like kind of like in the 70s, so it makes me want to use some of these stickers. So I'm gonna set these off to the side. Ooh, these are so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, shoot. Okay, I'm kind of struggling here. I like these too. Maybe not these for right now. Something like this would be so cute. Okay. Not these, not these. I got rid of a ton of sticker books recently and I just moved them out of the way and kind of kept the sticker sheets that I'm like obsessed with. What week is this? This is the current week. So 9 next week. I was making sure that I didn't need appointment sticker because next week I have an appointment on the 17th. So I may or may not use those. I really like these. But is it too soon to use like, these are cute. Okay, I'm gonna put that one off to the side. I'm kind of doing like process of elimination over here. That's literally what I'm doing. Oh, these are so cute. Okay, maybe I'll use this one. Gosh darn it, why am I so complicated? I had a one full sticker sheet from the Erin Condren sticker sheet and now I'm like, I can't decide. But this is of course my life. And then I thought about using the Rilakuma ones, but maybe I don't, because I thought about using them with some of these stickers. Thought that would be really cute. If I do, it'd be these two. So that means I can put this one away. Gotta do your own process of elimination, you know what I mean? So, okay, I kind of really like these back here. Okay, this is a really small sticker sheet. Okay, I'm gonna go for it. I think I'm gonna do the Rilakuma. That's it. I've decided. Rilakuma it is. Okay, I'm gonna close out this sticker book thing. Perfect. Okay, I kind of want, I really like this one. Oh no, it's torn right here. I didn't even notice that. That's so sad. It's fine though. It's perfectly fine. Okay, I'm gonna put this one down here. I like this one with the little kitties. Maybe I put this one up here. And I like this one. Put that one right there. And I always lean towards using only the Rilakuma stickers, but I'm gonna try to switch it up a little bit. Usually I don't do anything on Sundays, so I feel like that would be cute for that day. Cute. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some of these cute little daisies just throughout. I feel like it kind of matches. I don't know, does it not? Oh no, all that decision making for nothing. Leave it up to me to last minute be like, no. What about this one? Okay, I think these match a little bit better. Okay, cute. And I can use different kinds. Okay, I know it's not like, it sometimes bothers me how yellow the paper is, but at the same time, like, I get it. I know why it's like that. And I think it's perfectly fine. But when I put a sticker down that isn't like the same color, then it does bug me a little bit, but it's totally fine. Since I don't have any more of the yellow stickers, I'm gonna use one of these to put right here, get it done. These are the same color. Oh, maybe I can use the orangey ones. Yeah, that kind of does match a little bit better. Here's another orangey one. Cute. Okay, that is adorable. I'm gonna put that over here. Get it done. Maybe, can I use another one? No, I think it'll overwhelm it too much. Let me see if I have anything else that I'd want to add, because I kind of really like one of these for like planner days. Put it right here or something. No, usually I do my plan days on Sunday. So instead of using this one, I'm gonna use this brown one. I'm gonna lay it right there. And should I use a little, yeah, why not? Why the heck not, man? I try not to lift on a Hobonichi, but sometimes you just got to. Cute. I think I did it a little too much, but I think that still looks fine. I'm gonna grab one of these pencils and I'm gonna put it right there. And then I'm gonna add one of these cute little bookmarks with this little Rilakkuma kitty. Cute. Okay, I like it. I'm gonna look for some washi. Hold on. Okay, so I found these two washies. I think, pretty sure both of these are from the Happy Planner, and I wanted to do this cute little grid one. Hold on, coffee break. Okay, I wanted to do this type of situation where it's like kind of torn. So I don't know how well that's gonna work, but that's kind of what I'm leaning towards. I feel like that looks fun and cute. Sometimes messing with washi is like not the funnest, but gotta do it sometimes. Okay, that's cute. Gonna grab a little bit more and add some to the top. So I'm gonna do the exact same thing, and I kind of want it like uneven. Okay, I feel like that is not very like the look that I was going for, but it's fine. Oh, cute. It actually covered it up perfectly. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Now I want to grab some of this and see if it'll work with it. If not, then I'm not even going to worry about it, but no, I think it works with it. Cute. Do the same thing on this side. Cute. And then do the same thing on this side, but I'm gonna lift this flower just a tad just to make sure. Hold on, I gotta get close to this. Okay, I put it on the same spot. What the heck is wrong with me? Okay, that's better. Okay, perfect. And I'm gonna try not to cover up the Monday because I was about to. I was so close to. I now have a trash can in my office, which is awesome. It's kind of nice having that. There was something else that I wanted to do. I am thinking, let's see. So I do have this one, and I have a salmon color one. I also have that color thing. Let's see. Look how obsessed I've been with Rilakuma. This is on a Rilakuma pen. This one's erasable. That would be kind of cool. And then I have that one. Okay, let me grab a piece of paper. Okay, here's this sticky note that I'm just gonna turn the other way around so I can see which one matches the best. Okay, so that one, I feel like it's too dark. Okay, this one may be the best so far. I think that is too bright. And then this is the salmon one, which I think is gonna be too orange. Yeah, it's too bright. And then this is the brown one, which I think may be a match to the little Rilakuma bear. Yep, perfect. Okay, so these two are the winners. So what I'm thinking about doing is, let's see if this works out. Hopefully y'all can see just fine. Thinking about doing maybe like this little number. Okay, that is cute. Since this is, I think it worked out better when it was like the Japanese version, because right now it actually, like, you can understand it. Like before I would just write over it, but now it actually is kind of visible, and I don't know, but it's fine. It actually still works. And then I'm gonna use this bullet marker just to put 2 bullets. So 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm not putting it in any specific way, but that works. Kinda, let's hope. Okay, and then I wanted to hopefully with this be able to mark a line over here. Okay, that works. Perfect. Okay, that is so cute. I'm obsessed. Okay, I think that worked out just fine. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it there before it gets any worse. I think that's pretty good. I think I want to write January up here with pink, or maybe right here. Let's see. Okay, that works. Maybe I can use this pen. Cute. Okay, I love that. I think it turned out so cute. Okay, well, that was like surprisingly cute. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will talk to y'all next time. Bye.